Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Xlookup function in Google Sheets to automate your daily tasks. Whether you're managing inventory, keeping track of sales, or just want your spreadsheets to work smarter, you'll see how Xlookup can help you fetch data instantly, saving time and reducing errors. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up and use Xlookup for real-world scenarios, like looking up product details in an inventory list. Let's jump right in and get you up to speed. Alright, let's say you have a list of products in a table, just like this one. You've got columns for product ID, product name, category, price, and stock. This might remind you of how you track items in a small store or maybe a home inventory. Imagine you want to find out, say, the name of a product just by using its ID, or maybe you want to pull up the price of a product from just its name without having to scan through the rows yourself. That's where Xlookup comes in and makes life a lot easier. Let's start with the first example. Our goal here is to look up a product name if we only have the product ID. We're going to use the formula equals Xlookup P003A2A7B2B7. So what's actually happening here? First, Google Sheets is searching for the value P003 in the range A2 to A7, which corresponds to our product ID column. Think of this like flipping through the pages of a catalog to find the exact product code. Once it finds P003, Xlookup locks onto that row. Then it takes the next step. It pulls the value from the exact same row in your product name column, which is B2 to B7. In our case, P003 lines up with jeans. So as soon as you hit enter, you'll see jeans pop up in your cell. It's quick, clean, and accurate, no scrolling, no guesswork. If you have a huge list of IDs and need to match names, this will save you countless minutes. Now let's try another practical way to use Xlookup. Maybe you know the product name, but you want to pull up its price instantly. Here our formula is equals Xlookup sneakers B2 B7 D2 D7. Let's break it down. Google Sheets is now searching for sneakers in the product name column, which is B2 to B7. Just imagine flipping through the shoe rack for your favorite pair. When it lands on sneakers, it hops over horizontally to the price column D2 to D7 and returns the price that matches the same row. For sneakers, the price listed is $3,000. Within seconds, you've turned a product name into a specific price. This is incredibly useful if you need to make quick price quotes, check stock, or even automate your invoices. A couple of tips as you use Xlookup. Always double-check that your lookup values match exactly, including capitalization and spelling. And don't worry if you get an error at first. Sometimes it's just a matter of adjusting your ranges or making sure the item really exists in your data. Xlookup is super flexible too, so you can use it across sheets or even with more complex conditions if your spreadsheet grows. And that's how you use Xlookup in Google Sheets to find product details in just seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more advanced Xlookup tricks. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials that'll help you master Google Sheets and a whole lot more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.